In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $50 to $150 per day with no money out of pocket just by downloading and sharing one simple app. That's up next on today's episode of Marketer Dad's Quick Flips.
Okay, Titans, the first step in joining the share economy is to answer one simple question.
Do you have a cell phone and a debit card?
All you need to do is enter them into this smartphone application.
So I'm sure the answer to the first question was yes, but here's another question that I know you may have. How much does it cost?
Does this application cost monies?
It's a free application.
The application is free, and yet we can use the application to make the monies?
It is a free money-making application, yes!
Okay, so I know the next question that you may have is, why is it free? And aren't you a little worried about something that's free? Why would they give it to us for free? And here's my quick answer.
Whoa, aren't you guys wondering why someone would give us a money-making application for free?
I don't care. It's free. I love this application.
Okay, now that we've got those questions out of the way, I know you want to know, how does it work? And so I'm going to show you how it works, and then I'm going to show you 3 simple steps so you can get started and start making money today. Okay guys, so the free money making app is called Dash, and basically it's a cashback app. You shop at your normal stores, Walmart, Wendy's, Forever 21, or whatever kind of store, and these stores offer promotion for 2%, 5%, 7%, 10% cash back, or whatever it may be, and it's available for the App Store and Google Play, so iPhone and Android users are covered across the board. I believe that right now it's only available in the United States. I'm not for sure about the other countries, but for sure it's available here in the United States. Okay, so let's go over how it works. So basically, all you have to do is connect your credit or debit card to the Dash Cashback app and use them where offers are available. So, and then as soon as you swipe your card and the payment is made, you get cash back automatically. Like you'll get an alert saying you receive, $10 back or $1 back or, whatever it is. Now, it's really easy. You don't have to scan any UPCs or scan receipts or mail in rebates or enter promo codes or anything like that. Everything is done automatically. All you do is just shop like normally. So the only thing that you have to do is download the app and connect your credit and debit cards. And then when you spend, the cash back will come automatically for, stores like Target or whatever the case may be. So here's some of the stores that offer cash back. So you have Burger King, Johnny Rockets, Home Depot, Microsoft, Hungry Howie's, here a Detroit favorite, the Hilton, Walmart, Marriott, Shutterfly, AutoZone, TurboTax because it's tax time, the Dickies barbecue pit, so many stores, Nike's, Big Lots, Walmart. It just goes on and on, things that we all use in our everyday life. And so as you can see in the app, it's showing 4% at Wendy's, 10% at Olive Garden, and it's just really cool because you don't have to do anything more than what you're already doing. And just to kind of summarize how it works, from my understanding, so these stores, Dash has partnered with these stores to encourage people to shop there to get cash back. And so the more that you shop there, the more money that the company makes, and then the more cash back that you can receive. And I'm sure that Dash gets some kind of percentage off of it. That's how they make money. But basically, it's sort of like a advertising arrangement between the companies and Dash, and so they offer you a small discount for shopping there. And so I'm sure that Dash skims a little off of the top and then gives you the rest, but either way it's still money that you wouldn't have had without the app. And so this stuff is for in-store and online, so wherever your card is being used at these places, you can get cash back. So another cool thing is you can book hotels through Dash. And so right now I seen that they had a promotion, like when you book your first hotel, you automatically get $25 cash back, and that's on top of what cash back the hotel or whatever is offering. So really, guys, it's really simple. All you need to do is download the app and connect your debit card, and as soon as you start spending, you start making money. What else is there? And that's it. Like they say, it's a free cashback app that every person wants and they need. So now let's go over the 3 simple steps of how you can make money by referring people to the Dash Cash app. So here's step 1. So step 1 is to download the app. You're going to click the link in the description of this video or above this video, or maybe in the comments, wherever you're seeing it, whether it's on Facebook, YouTube, or Twitter, or whatever the case may be. Click the link above, below, to the right, to the side, or wherever it may be, and download the app. And so then the second thing is you're going to connect, all of your credit and debit cards that you use on an everyday basis, so you can start earning cash back. And then the third thing is all you're going to do is just share it with your friends. And so right now, Dash has a promotion going on. So for every person that you refer to the Dash app, they're going to pay you $15 when they download the app and connect their debit card. Once the promotion ends, I'm not for sure exactly how long it's going to go for. The normal referral commission is $5. So even after this promotion is over, you can still refer people to the Dash app and earn $5 per person. So how you earn $50 to $150 per day is either right now during the promotion, you can refer 10 people per day. That'll get you $150. And once the promotion is over, you can refer the same 10 people and you can earn $50. So it's still really good money. It's free. It doesn't cost anything out of pocket. All you have to do is share it. And on top of that, for you guys making the $5, because each of you gets the $5, you help your friends and your family save a little bit of money on the things that they're already doing anyway by getting a little cash back. So that's it. Again, download the app. That's step 1. Step 2, connect your credit and debit cards. And step 3, share it with your friends and family. And right now, during the promotion that just started today on January 7th, you'll earn $15 per person that downloads the app and connects a debit card, credit or debit card. Thanks for watching my video. If you liked the video, consider subscribing. And if you want more content just like this video, watch my latest video too. Thanks again. Peace.